Hello everyone, it's Miss Sharon once again. Thank you for joining me for today's lesson. And there's Frank too. Hello Frank, I hadn't seen you yet. Welcome. Today we're going to practice the reading and writing of a new sound. So as usual, I suggest you have a grown-up with you to make sure you're following the lesson properly. You can also prepare a pencil and a paper, as we will be using them later on. Let me remind you that when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, it's your turn. So let's begin. Today's letter is N. 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 Now I'm going to show you some pictures with the N sound. Repeat after me. Nest. Numbers. Nuts. Nails. Net. Great job! I used to have a net, just like the one in the picture. But now I'm going to draw a different kind of net. Watch me draw Nobby and his net. That's Nobby, and that's his net. He just loves to play football. Net. Net. Now watch me draw the sound N. 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 Net. N. Great job. I think you're ready to see the picture. Net. Hey, the same. Net. Net. Shall we check if something's behind it? There's a sound hiding behind it. Mm. 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 Net. Mm. Net. I think you're ready to play the game. Are you ready to play? Great. For this game, every time you see the picture of the net, you say net. Every time you see the sound, say Ready? Shall we go a bit faster? Super duper! I would like you to say the sounds very quickly as soon as they appear on screen. Off we go. This is the writing part of our lesson, so please bring a paper and a pencil or anything to write on. Let's start by writing our sound. Down Nobby and over his net. Down Nobby and over his net. Let me try and write the letter. Down Nobby and over his net. Now it's your turn to write it down. Remember to say the phrase. I'm going to write it down with you. Ready? Down Nobby and over his net. Now let me write the sound. Now it's your turn to write. Pencil in hand, we're going to do it together. Remember we're saying the sound this time. So it's Wow, great job! It's time for you to write down sounds that you already know. Frank and I are watching you, but we would like a grown-up to be by your side to watch you even more closely. Are you ready? Pencil in hand? I would like you to write the sound Next, S. And finally, T. Great job! It's word time, so that means it's time to play with sounds and words. I will say the sounds and words, and you repeat after me. P, a, n, pan. A, n, t, ant. P, I, n, pin. O, n, on. T, I, n, tin. Great job. Now for the second part of this game, I will say the sounds and you say the words. P, a, n, pan. A, n, t, ant. You're right. P, I, n, pin. O, n, on. T, I, n, tin. Jolly good! Wow! Frank and I are really proud of you, aren't we, Frank? You're learning so much. Great job, keep it up. But now it's time for us to go. Thanks for joining us. It's always so much fun watching you learn. Great job. Well, see you next time. Goodbye from Miss Sharon and Frank. Bye-bye.